Yes, guys, how you all doing? Welcome back. So today we finished the back, we finished the side wall, and finally we're on the front of the house now. I'm just gonna give you a walkthrough of what we have here, what we've done so far, and what we're about to do in today's video. So with no further ado, let's dive right into it. So guys, we finish around this section, complete this entire section here, finish around here. That's the side, and this is the back. Finish this section here. We'll finish this one over here. This brick is a very hard brick to keep clean, guys, but as you see, we try our best to keep it as clean as we can. We also finish this one here. Today we're working on the front of the house. So today we're working to go above the garage here. I'm gonna come from down here. Not gonna put my weaving plastic down there. I'm gonna wait till I reach up here. Then I'm gonna work my way around to put the weaving plastic. James gonna be working over in that corner, and I'll be over here. I'm gonna go all the way up. As you see, I have a round window up top there. Right above that round window gonna be a crossed homeowner one, so that's gonna be a fun part. So make sure you stick around for that and subscribe if we don't come with it in this video. You can come back and watch it later on. Okay guys, so I show you around, show you what we've done so far, show you what we're about to do. Let's dive right into it and start the fun. Before I jump into it, go ahead and give your boy Ryan a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed for more fun video like this one. Let's get started. The reason why Papa like it. Have your joint back. Eh? Okay, alright.
Yeah, let's bring a plastic when you come there.
if you need help running stuff.
Yeah.
If you need help running stuff, put on the job.
Alright.
My own as well. Well, you can hear another thing that is good nail enough. I said a lot of good nail in the back, so the puppy back is enough here. guys, so as you see here, I run a line go right across so that I can have that corner square with this corner, and then I plumb up right up to my line. You see here, do you use a wire brush? So you see here guys, I plumb right up to my line. It's one and I'm using it. I barely even can. We have our weeping plastic here. Just gonna overlap our plywood right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and start to lay some bricks. Take some whole of them scatter around this and put a bone to the back in here a little bit like this, right until I get it right up to the, so that I have everything nice and just like so. This is really good force. Why I'm putting the brick tie here, guys, is just to help to brace it off the line, so that we have it here nicely lined up, edge of the brick here.
No, I just a piece of.
Oh, you mean cutting this? Oh, okay. You mean
a piece of bottom.
Oh, cut out half when we cut it then.
Where?
This one?
Yeah. I see a measurement there.
You don't come out about a inch more.
Inch more?
Yeah, man. You don't be same measurement.
I'm going to measure them this kind of
5 inches. Yeah. 4 and 3/4. But you know, alright, look on the brick so. You see? When I press your level sit down on the brick, that's the space where you have right there, so that is big difference.
I've used it along the huh?
Look on this. I saw you square, you know. I brick itself is a square, you know.
No man, that corner out here so gone so. So you can't watch it. Yes sir.
Man, it's square, man.
Yes sir. You have square?
How much you have it? You have it 50 dollars?
Yeah man.
What is square? Take all the $50.
Me don't have $50 for me. You know square man, 3/4 of them have brick here gone so. Me I tell you right.
That looks square to me. Look on this, sir. Look. You see that? You say sit down on the brick itself and look on the space where you have it. See me show you? So you know this is how you square a wall. Once you sit on a corner, just make you level sit down on this side. And wherever I go over, they say that, they say square. They tell you say all of this wall I want to come back over to this way. In order to get to the square. So you have to square off it. Square man.
You didn't explain.
Not square man. I don't know shade over there so now. Yeah. Let me something and teach you a construction school now, man. You can look for any mark and tell us you don't have enough cement tonight, you know. No, stop. Listen, man. You okay guys, so this is where we're at now.